1. Listen and answer. Who played the last trick? Then read.
Oh, Mummy. It was Wednesday morning, and Jack, Sandra, and Ben weren't at school. They were with the other fifth-grade students outside the new Museum of Egyptian Art. Their teacher, Mrs. Clark, asked them to stay close to the group and follow the museum rules. There were different works of art inside the museum. There was sculpture, pottery, and paper art. The kids saw some beautiful paintings and statues, too. The guide explained everything to them. He showed them pictures of kings and queens of ancient Egypt. Everybody was amazed. There was also a room in the basement where there were Egyptian mummies, but the guide told them that it wasn't open to visitors yet. Ben had an idea.
Why don't we go to that room and see the mummies?
He whispered to his friends, but they refused.
We will get in trouble, Ben,
they said, but he didn't listen to them, and he decided to go all alone. When no one was looking, he went downstairs. The door wasn't locked, so Ben opened it and walked in. It was dark, and there was a smell. Suddenly, he saw two white faces in front of him.
Oh no, the mummies woke up.
He screamed and ran to the door, but then he heard some people laughing. He turned and saw Jack and Sandra taking their white scarves off.
We played a trick on you,
Jack said, and they all laughed. Just then, the kids heard a strange noise. Then a scary laugh.
Ha, 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 ha.
Who's playing a trick now?
Asked Sandra.
Nobody. We're the only ones down here,
said Ben. Then they saw a door open very slowly and a bright light.
A real mummy?
They all shouted. The kids were so scared they ran out of the room. They found the other students, but they didn't say anything to Mrs. Clark because they knew they would be in trouble. Then they saw a security guard talking to Mrs. Clark and looking at them.
Look, he has a flashlight. It was him,
said Jack. Mrs. Clark came over to the children and said,
Next time, stay with the other students.
Don't worry, we will,
they all said.